So I tried making money with this 5 Nigeria platform after watching this video. In this video, I want to show you 5 Nigeria websites that will pay you every day to carry out tasks for them. So in that video, I shared with you 5 Nigeria platforms that will pay you every day by performing simple social media tasks. So after watching that video, I tried making money with these 5 platforms. And here is the proof. Now what I do basically is that I tried the most talked about and the most popular ways to make money online. I bring them right here on my channel. I try it out with you right here. I give my honest opinion and I give my honest reviews so that you won't go about wasting your time. So in this series, I try making money with Freebyz by performing simple tasks to see if this platform really pays or not. And this was the result. So guys, the next platform right here is called Freebyz, right? It's very important you do proper research about this platform before jumping into it. That's the reason I'm doing this video, taking my time to show you if this platform really pays you or not. So that's the reason we are doing this full experimental video to test this. So this is on the series called I Tried, because I'm trying different making money online videos, and let's really see if these ways to make money online really work out or not, so that you won't go ahead and waste your time. So let's go ahead. I'm going to log in this account right now. I have over 2,000 naira on my account. Right, so what we are going to do is to go ahead and start doing jobs, right? And it's important that you know that before you start doing jobs, it's important you input your wallet, which is your bank details. Go and put it down there so that you can withdraw your money once you are done doing tasks. And also activate your account. Activation of account is 1,000 naira, but we are going to know this before we activate our accounts, right? So you have to activate your account with just 1,000, then you have access to all the full features of the platform, because according to them, this platform pays you even if you are Nigeria or you are from Ghana or you are from any other countries, and they have hundreds of tasks you can do on their platform. So let's jump in. This account is already approved and it's already activated with 1,000. That's the reason I'm having access to all these tasks. Alright, so guys, let's just start. Available jobs right now. You can also switch to dollars if you want to start earning in dollars. You just click on switch to dollars and you can just switch to jobs that are available in dollars or outside Nigeria. So this first one is to sign up on a website. Second one is a website job, watch and subscribe job, watch and earn job, Facebook, share a post on Facebook, earn from tasks and all of that. And this is a YouTube subscribe job. We're going to click on it right here. This job is paying, and this is the amount, and this is what we're going to do. Subscribe to my channel and turn on bell notifications. Send screenshots once you have subscribed. Click on this link. We are going to subscribe to this channel. So we're going to just go ahead and this is the account. We're going to subscribe right here. We're going to screenshot it. Then we're going to come back to Freebyz. We're going to come down and we're going to submit the proof of submit the proof of screenshot. So this is the screenshot. We're going to click on it, upload it. I'll just click on done here, and I'm going to click on submit. We just submitted the job. Then I believe we should do one more campaign. All right, let's do one more campaign. I believe we should do one more campaign. One more job to do. So we are going to do this another YouTube subscribe. We are going to do this subscribe to YouTube channel. So let's just do this and at least have 2 jobs we done. What we are going to do right now is very simple. As you can see, we follow the instruction, right? Let's say click on the above link, watch the short video, then make a comment, subscribe afterward, send screenshot showing if you subscribe. So we're going to click on this right now. Wait for it to show up. All right. I'm still waiting for it to show up. What I'm going to do right now is to subscribe right here. Then subscribe and maybe like, understand. Then we're going to screenshot this. We'll click on submit. First of all, we're going to click on submit our screenshot. I'm going to click on submit this. Just click on done. Then we submit the task. We're going to just wait for these 2 and let's see if you are going to get approved and if you are going to be getting paid by doing these tasks, right? So we are going to just wait ahead and let them approve our job, and let's see if we really get paid doing this job. So guys, this is Freebyz right now. So after completing my job, as you can see, this is 2 jobs done and I've just earned over 2,020 naira, right? My balance earlier was 2,000 naira and right now my balance is 2,020 naira.
and as you can see right here, 2 jobs done. All right, telling you that they just paid me. If I come over to this very place, to these very jobs, and if I go to completed jobs, you can see that some of my recent jobs, some of my jobs are pending, and some of them are already approved. As you can see, these are the 2 jobs I just done right now, and they are telling me approve, of which you can see right there. So this platform really pays you to perform simple tasks, of which is true. All right, they pays you every day. All right, Freebyz is one of this platform that pays you every day, right? But my honest review and my honest truth is that this platform alone cannot make you a whole lot of money. You can make this a side hustle and a side income for yourself, but it can't make you millions, right? But what I will advise that you will compile all this side hustle and this platform together. If you can have like at least 5 of them on your portfolio, you can at least make some good money at the end of this week, right? And my advice is that you just make this a side hustle and a side income for yourself. You can't make this a main hustle, right? This cannot be your main hustle because it won't make you a whole lot of money. You can make this a side hustle, right? If you have a spare time every day. If you have at least 1 hour every day or 2 hours every day, 30 minutes every day, you can just spend it on this platform, perform simple tasks on this platform, and at the end of the week, you can make some good money for yourself, and you can add this to your meal also. So I've tried all the 5 Nigeria platforms in this very series, and I'll be linking all these 5 Nigeria platforms in the description of this video. So click on the first link in the description to access this platform. Activate your account with 1000 naira, and you can access the platform and access all these jobs right here. So guys, I believe you find value. Please make sure you smash that like button, comment, and give your own suggestion.
So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you watched to this end, you are amazing, and I believe 2024 is going to be your year. So I believe all these 5 platforms can make you some good money. Right now, all these platforms, bringing them together can make you some good money, but this is my honest reviews about these platforms. Now it's not late for you, based on this video, to choose which platforms you can start making money with, or you can even choose to choose all of them, or you can choose to ignore all. That's your decision, right? If you want to access all these platforms, I will link all of them down in the description of this video. You can access all of them one by one. And if you want to access all the 5 platforms in the separate videos, I've divided them into separate videos. You can access that in the description of this video, or you can as well access that around this playlist. It will be showing right here very soon. Making money online is not that easy, but if you can spend 2 hours, 3 hours every day with all these platforms together, that can make you some good extra money by the end of the week. So guys, I believe you find value from this very content. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, your suggestion, what do you think about this, and if this is right or not, your own review also, because your review is welcome. I will appreciate that a lot. So you can click here right now to access all the videos I've break down on these 5 Nigeria platforms that pays you every day. So with that said, I'll be bringing more videos on this series your way, trying all the most popular ways to make money online right here in this channel, and giving you my own honest review. Remember, you can access all the platform in the description of this video. With that said, I'll see you right here. Bye for now.